This is the third part of summary writing. So, open your books, page number 136. So, in the last part, we have learned about do's of summary writing and don'ts of summary writing. Now, in this part, we are going to learn a passage, an article, it means a piece of writing, and that is given here below the don'ts of summary writing. So, this is the passage, this is the article, piece of writing given here, and on this piece of writing we have to make a summary, and the summary also given on the next page here. So, how we can make summary on any passage that we are going to study right now. So, listen carefully. As an example, let us take an article for summary. So, what is the meaning of article? Look at here. Article, it means a piece of writing. So, this is the article, this is the piece of writing given to us for our study to make summary. So, when we are going to learn it, first of all, you have to understand what is the central idea of this passage or of this article. What is the main theme of this article? You have to understand first this, then decide a very suitable title for it in your mind. Now listen carefully. Learning disability. See the meaning of disability. Disability, it means mental or physical condition that limits a person's movement, sense or activities. So, what is disability? Mental or physical condition that limits a person's movement, sense and activities. If there are any kind of obstacles or limits in our physical movement, mental movement, any mental sense or any physical or mental activity, so that is called disability. Learning disability, short form is given in the bracket LD. Learning disability is an umbrella term for a wide variety of learning problems. So, there are many kids, many students, many children who have many kinds of problem in learning process. It means they have many kinds of different kinds of disability of learning process. Children with learning disorder, see the meaning of this word, disorder. Disorder, it means confusion. Children with learning disorder might be labeled. See the meaning of this word, labeled. Labeled, it means select to a category. Children with learning disorder might be labeled as slow learners, but they are as smart as everyone else. So, if any child is having any kind of problem in his learning process, so we think that he is or she is slow in learning, but actually that is not true, that is not apt. Every child is as smart as every clever child, but they just need that kind of atmosphere around them, that kind of help to them. They just need to be taught in proper environment, conducive. See the meaning of this word, conducive. It means helping towards a particular outcome. They just need to be taught in proper environment, conducive to their learning speed and level. So any child having any kind of problem in learning, so that child, what need? That child need to be taught in a proper environment, and also there we need to understand what is the speed of that child towards learning process, and according to his learning speed we have to help that child towards a particular outcome. What kind of outcome we need, we want from that child, that kind of help we have to give that child. Observation of a child over a period of time by parents at home and teachers in the school can provide valuable information about the way a child is able to learn and function. See the meaning of this word, function. Function, it means work or operate. Function in all the way that he should be able to at his age and level. So, if the child is in the school, so that time the teacher's responsibility is to observe that child. What is the level of that child? What is the limit of that child? What is the speed of learning that child? And at home, parents need to do this kind of observation. And after doing this kind of observation, teachers and parents both will get information about the child, in which way the child is able to learn his education and how can he be a good person in his life according to that child's age and that child's mental or physical level. There may be certain apparent, see the meaning of this word, apparent. It means clear or evident or easily seen. There may be certain apparent problems while reading, writing, listening, speaking, reasoning. See the meaning of this word, reasoning. It means the process drawing conclusion from evidence. And dealing with maths. So, what is the information is given here? There may be certain apparent problems while reading, writing, listening, speaking, reasoning and dealing with maths. So, any child, if that child is studying, dealing with, it means studying or handling math subject. So, that child may have many problems, reading problem, writing problem, listening problem, speaking problem or reasoning problem. So, we have to find out what is the exact problem of that child. Once these problems are identified, it is time for proper investigation. And after doing the observation of that child, we got information about that child, what kind of disability, what kind of disorder that child have, reading problem or disorder, writing disorder, listening disorder, speaking disorder, what kind of disorder, what kind of problem that child have, we know after observing him. It is important in order to clarify specific learning disorder and also rule out, see the meaning of this word? Rule out, it means find out. Rule out any other issue affecting the student's educational process. So, now listen. It is important in order to clarify specific learning disorder and also rule out any other issue affecting the student's educational process. So, when the student's education started, the educational process started, that time we have to find out what kind of problem that child had. And we need clarification, specific clarification in his disability disorder. Definitely, certainly what kind of disorder, what kind of problem that child is having, we know clarification about that problem. And also, we have to find out, we have to rule out any other issues are affecting his educational process, his education progress or his learning progress. So, we have to find out all this information. So, in this way, we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.